Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Ankita Verma, Faculty of Human Resources and Organizational Behavior at ICFI Business School, Dehradun. Today I will be sharing my experience with case-based teaching at my classes.
A very good morning, ma'am. So my first question to you is, what's the most rewarding part of teaching through cases?
I would say the most rewarding part of teaching through cases is seeing student transforming and understanding what exactly is happening in the real world. See, what we teach in the class is more theoretical part, but when students go into the case-based learning, they understand the real world scenario, what is happening. We see students debating and we see how students transforming those debates, and they are trying to empathize with real characteristics and they are understanding the real life situations what are happening. In our OB classes, I have seen students responding to the change and they are understanding the ever-changing dynamics of the organization and how the corporate world needs more dynamic and more realistic approach towards the situations or towards the problems.
That is a great answer, ma'am. But how do cases help students connect theory with practice?
I would say cases create a bridge between conceptual knowledge and workplace reality. In courses like OB and HR, where we have theories which includes leadership, conflict, are some live examples, and when students analyze that how real organization works, they actually help them to understand that how you can merge theories which you have learned in the class with the practical scenario which actually happens with them. For example, when we talk about the case discussion that we have in the class every now and then, we talked about Maslow need hierarchy theory, or we talk about two-factor theory which talks about rewarding or discarding the employees which are not performing well, how we are going to motivate them. So somehow these things actually help students to connect that yes, when they are at the workplace, when they are in the reality of the workplace, they can help, they can understand that what are the basic needs that an individual need and how these needs can be achieved through what they have learned in the classes.
Okay, ma'am. So my next question to you is, if you had to summarize the essence of case teaching in one sentence, what would it be?
I would say I was just going through the online sources through which I can help my student, and I've just seen a very good line and I would like to read it, that actually case teaching transforms students from passive listener into reflective practitioner who think, who decide, and who lead with examples.
Thank you, ma'am, for answering. So my last question to you is, which HR or leadership case do you think best develops empathy and decision making in students?
I would choose Google G2G fostering the learning culture, because this case is very beautifully captured the intersection of leadership, empathy and learning. We also talk about Google peer-to-peer learning models because it reflects about organizational behavior, which talks majorly about empowering trust and motivation. When students analyze this case, actually they get to understand that how we are able to evaluate or give value to empathy, inclusion and psychological safety at the workplace, which is also being taught in one of the theories of organizational behavior. So this actually helps a lot students in understanding that how organizations are actually adopting the OB or the organizational behavior theories.
So that is all for today, ma'am. Thank you so much for answering our questions. And anything you would like to say to our listeners?
First of all, I would like to thank you for asking such beautiful and insightful questions. Now, I would also like to thank my listeners. I would like to say that when we talk about this case-based learning in human resources and organizational behavior, these case-based not only help in understanding the organization, but it also helps in creating us as a future leader. And I hope these discussions that we had today will help you to look beyond the textbook and understand human stories through the cases, through the real life examples that has happened with the people, that has been done by the organization to help and uplift its employees. With this, thank you.